Okay, so you are watching the series of videos which we are uploading related to various interview questions asked in technical in previous years, public sector interviews. All these questions are on the basis of the feedback given by students who went for the interviews. So today I am discussing about last year, that is 2020 IOCL interview conducted, and this topic is related to fluid mechanics. So what is hydrostatic paradox? That was a question asked in fluid mechanics. Hydrostatic paradox is a very catchy word, but very simple to explain. Let me tell you this. What is hydrostatic paradox? Let me make two diagrams here. I give you these two diagrams. This cross section is small a, this cross section is also small a, and I am giving you two containers. I am giving you two containers. Each container is having liquid, which is, let us say, water, and the height up to which the water is contained is same. So there is a water here, and this side is also water up to same depth. Area cross section at the bottom is same, at the top is also same, but here cross section at the top will not be equal to A, it will be more than A. What will be hydrostatic pressure force at the bottom? Let us say F is hydrostatic pressure force. Hydrostatic pressure force, as you know, is calculated as hydrostatic pressure into area. Hydrostatic pressure force depends upon hydrostatic pressure, and hydrostatic pressure further is calculated as rho into G into H. Rho is the density, rho G is a specific weight, into depth, hydrostatic law, all of you are aware. Now hydrostatic pressure at the bottom is same, and since area is also same, so I can say hydrostatic pressure force in both the containers will be same. Let us call it F1, let us call it F2. Hydrostatic pressure force in both the cases will be same. Now suppose I put weighing machine at the bottom of both the containers. Suppose I put weighing machine at the bottom of each container. It is measuring the weight of the liquid contained. This one is measuring the weight of liquid contained in this. Any idea in which case weight will be more? Weight in the second container will be more than weight in the first container. Why? Because the liquid contained in second container is more. As you can see, the volume is more, base area is same, but top area is more. So more liquid is contained in this container, hence more weight in this. Now this discrepancy, that weight is more but hydrostatic pressure force is same, this is called hydrostatic paradox. Why paradox? What is the English meaning paradox? कि दिखता कुछ और है लेकिन है कुछ और. That is called paradox. Situation of little bit confusion or dilemma or something like that. Different reality is different than what you see. That is the meaning of paradox. Now it looks like this force will be applied on the weighing machine, and since hydrostatic pressure force is applied on weighing machine, so what happens is the weight will be same. It is looking like that, but actually it is not that. Now why this particular thing is happening? The reason for that is, if you compare these two, let me erase it now. If you compare these two containers, let me take the first container. Just see how the hydrostatic pressure is acting on the container. Hydrostatic pressure will be acting like this. Agree? Hydrostatic pressure rho GH. As I increase the depth, the pressure increases, and this is the pressure diagram. Hydrostatic pressure in first container will be like this. So on the wall, if you consider on the wall, net hydrostatic pressure force acting on the wall will be cancelled out. Net hydrostatic pressure force acting on vertical walls will cancel out the effect of one another, and hence total hydrostatic pressure force at the bottom, only will be acting in this particular case. What is total hydrostatic pressure force at the bottom? Rho into G into H, okay, that is the force. Now what is the weight of the liquid? So weight of the liquid is density of the liquid, volume is area into H, that is the volume, into G. What is the weight of the liquid in this? Weight of the liquid in this is density into volume of the liquid in this, area into H into G, that is the weight. And what is hydrostatic pressure force? This is hydrostatic pressure into area, that is hydrostatic pressure force, and both are equal. In this case both are equal. Now let us go to second diagram. When you go to second diagram, see in this case now how the hydrostatic pressure is acting. If you see, hydrostatic pressure in this case will be acting something like this. Let me make with the different color. On this wall, hydrostatic pressure force will be acting something like this. I am talking about the inclined wall. In the previous diagram, hydrostatic pressure on vertical walls was acting in horizontal direction and cancelling the effect. It was not contributing in vertical direction. But in this case, hydrostatic pressure, which is always perpendicular to the wall, it has two components. One component is horizontal, another component is vertical. Similarly for this also, one component is horizontal, another is vertical. This is Py. So there was no vertical component in the previous diagram. In this diagram, hydrostatic pressure is acting only horizontal, so it does not have any vertical component. But in this case, there is a vertical component also. So this horizontal Px will cancel out. This is not pressure, this is a force. Horizontal component of force will cancel out, but vertical component is added, and that vertical component is added with the hydrostatic pressure force which is acting at the bottom, something like previous case. So this Py plus rho G H into A, hydrostatic pressure force at the bottom, plus this vertical component of hydrostatic pressure force acting on inclined wall, this eventually will lead to the weight. This will lead to the weight. So in the previous case, weight was equal to this. In this case, weight is equal to this plus vertical component. Since vertical component is also added, so weight in this case will be more than weight in this case. I hope the concept is clear. This is called hydrostatic paradox. Asked in many interviews, very simple, but you should understand the meaning of this.